This is the physiography of every single state, part 3. In today's state, we are talking about Texas. Now, as most of you know, Texas is a very big state. However, for the sake of simplicity, we're going to split it up into 3 main physiographic regions. The first region is the interior plains, more specifically the Great Plains. On the eastern extent of the Great Plains is the North Central Plains, which is the transition zone. But the Great Plains proper is as you'd expect, large expanses of grasslands. In western Texas is maybe my favorite physiographic region of the state, which is the Intermontane Plateau, and more specifically, the Basin and Range Province. This is, as the name implies, a bunch of mountains and a bunch of basins. The national parks of the state can be found there with Guadalupe Mountains National Park and Big Bend National Park. And on the eastern extent of Texas is the Atlantic Plains, which is more specifically known as the Gulf Coastal Plains. This is the flat and low elevation coastal environment. Now, while Texas has a lot of beauty, it's important to note that most of Texas is private property. So going out and roaming around and exploring can kind of be difficult and kind of just set to the roads. But there's lots of little beautiful gems like Enchanted Rock and Palo Duro Canyon. So my question to you is, do you have a favorite spot in Texas? If so, let me know in the comments below. And what state should I do next?